bottle.
Mine's blue so far. I hope it stays.
Oh! Tiana, Mom! Oh! That's what happens when you keep screaming at the camera. Oh,
and today, I'm back with another 3-colour glue slime challenge. I'm doing it with Isla again because I think it was the last 2 times Isla beat me again. So we got a lot, and I mean a lot, of new colours. Yep. All of the big bottles are not new, and all of the little baby bottles, they're all so pretty. Alright, so basically, we're going to be doing this a bit different because there's big bottles. So, separately, this will be Isla because she's the youngest. She'll be picking 2 of the little bottles first, separately, without the big ones. And then we'll bring the big ones and she'll pick one of those. And then I'll do the same after.
You're nervous, aren't you, Tiana?
Confusing. There's black, there's black, and there's 6 oranges. It's so bright. All of the colours are so bright.
So Isla has been like the champion at this challenge. So Tiana, you were telling me earlier on today you're ready to beat Isla. Yeah? So you need to be like picking some good colours.
No one can beat me. Wait, Dad, look at this. Gold. And there's a different gold.
Yeah.
And then, oh my gosh, look at this. I don't really want to get this.
That's like a pill.
Yeah, I don't want to get it because it's too white for me, but it's glittery. And there's a complete white one, which I do not want to get. And I don't want to get the black either.
All right. Okay. Isla, let's get ready. You're up first.
Okay, Isla, close your eyes properly. Close. Alright. So nervous, I don't want to pick one of the blacks. I don't want to make my whole slime ruined.
Tiana just got attacked by a fly.
Okay.
Oh.
I think I'll pick this one.
Oh.
Okay, that's 2.
No!
The 2 colours you want to get.
Really?
Yes.
Well, we know you didn't want the black colour, but you got orange. That's pretty cool.
My whole slime's ruined now.
All right then.
Now
So
Isla's big bottle, or should I do mine?
yeah, because you've got the small ones on the table, you might as well. Isla, yeah. So Tiana's going to pick her 2 small bottles. Tiana, cover. Oh, you doing a mix? Oh, you're doing a mix. She's doing a mix, guys.
I'm really scared.
What about one of those turns? Oh yeah. Okay. I think we're ready for you, Tiana. Go. Okay.
I'm scared. You needed the yellow.
That's not too bad.
It's better than hers.
Yeah, I think the black is probably the worst colour. Okay? Do you agree?
Thank you. I got the really nice pearl.
That's pearl.
I got the pearl colour.
Excuse me. Okay, big bottles.
Okay, Isla, it's your big bottles now. Well, one. Alright, go. Oh no. You got Halloween colours so far. Oh yeah.
Oh, she has got Halloween colours.
Oh no. I don't think my slime can be fixed anymore.
Look at the way Tiana's mixing these colours up. I've never never seen anything like it.
Are you putting like all the colours next to each other, which are the same? No. Why would I do that? No, that's too many together. Alright. Oh. Am I picky? Yep. This is my colour. I like this blue.
Do you?
Yep.
Alright then, Isla, over to you. Tiana. What colour would you want to get, Tiana?
I've got white, so I don't know. So
Yeah, I think any colour would be great. Isla's doing a seriously tactical mix in Tiana. Over to you, TT. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here you go. There's the glue. What do you think? The glue's here. Do you want it? She's tickling the bottles. Boop, boop, boop. Okay.
It's gonna be good. You're gonna win.
Good. Look, girls. Bowls coming through.
Blues. Bye bye. Through.
And of course, Terminator.
Where's my spoon?
Where's my spoon?
I don't need it yet, no.
Where's my spoon?
I used it earlier.
It's got slime still on it.
Yeah, I used it earlier. Don't worry, it's only clear glue.
All right, girls, let's do it.
I'm gonna start with my white. I mean with my blue.
Oh.
Wait, no, actually, I'm gonna start. Wait. Start with my blue.
What's inside there? Let's have a look. Can they pop off? Ooh. Oh. So there you go, Tiana.
Oh, this is one of the big ones.
What's the
I
matter?
can touch it and it won't stick to me. It's like jelly. This white's kind of clear. Whoa, it made a bubble. These are like the same as these, but less. I know this slime's not going to be sticky then. I hope not. Alright, bottle. This is mine so far. And my second bottle. Mine's blue so far. I hope it sticks.
Oh.
I hope it sticks.
Oh. Tiana, mama. Oh. Tiana, mama. Whoa, just the lid, just the lid.
The slime plopped off.
Isla, that was like a rocket. And yours.
Right. Whoa!
Oh, let's have a look at that, Tiana. Look at the pearl, guys. Inside there.
It feels like you slime already.
Wow.
Wait, Dad, when we got these glues, did you say that these are for slime?
Yes.
Oh, that's why they're not sticking.
Definitely slime glues. That's lovely, that orange is. What Isla's got is good.
Okay, now on to my last colour.
Who's got the big bottles? Or Isla's got one of them rocket ones.
There's no lid.
Ah, I'm glad.
Wait, is it in the lid?
I'll get it.
You gotta put it in.
No, that one's got no top in, and I'm glad because it's gonna like do rockets onto the roof.
Wait, can I borrow that? Oh, mine's melted. Can I borrow that lid? Thank you. My glue's melted.
It's got.
Look,
What, it's been
this is
oh,
not
look at
really
it.
hard to get out.
You love.
Oh. No, I don't want this colour. Ew. No.
Tiana, that purple's so cool with the pearl. I've got a colour black.
What chunks in it?
You've got to get all your colours in Isla. Oh, that is the worst colour glue I've ever seen. Not scented. Right, let's give Tiana a hand.
Mine's empty.
Oh, you've done good.
At least I got it too.
Right, girls.
Look at colours.
Mix, mix, mix.
Mine goes like.
Here we go. This
Nice
is the. Ooh! 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 Rainbow! That looks like.
Oh, it's going grey. It's going grey.
That's not. It's got green.
It's like no, it's not green. It's black with green glitter.
Tiana's is looking cool.
Mine is like. Wow!
That is a nice colour.
Yours is like the purple at the bottle. I think I might win. I might have won this.
Someone's getting excited.
We need the Terminator.
You haven't even made the slime yet, Tiana. She's got the Terminator out, guys. Look.
The broken bottle. Which we can put on my nose.
Isla! Look what you're doing in the slime lab. You've got green slime with black all over fingers and face.
Is it on me anymore? Yeah.
Look at this. On the table.
Is it on my nose?
Yeah, it's on your face.
I feel like I'm going to be one of them people which like have stripes across their face.
Oh, man. That colour is good. Tiana, yeah.
I'm going to win. Come on, vote for me.
Yeah, made it, yeah.
Everybody's going to vote for me. Here they are. I am. You are what? I'm going to vote for me. Oh.
Hashtag Isla.
Hashtag Isla wins. I'm winning. Not good combination blues. The textures.
Okay.
See, everybody's. You're wearing.
Oh, we go with the mud mixing.
You're wearing black on your t-shirt.
So what do you think then, Isla, to your colour? It's not that bad, is it?
No, but I thought.
It's still cool. It is okay. Come on then, girls, do a mad stir. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's spoon metal.
That's it, T. Come on, Isla. Stir, 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 stir.
Can't do it.
You know when I was doing my slime video on Toys and Me?
Tried it well hard.
Yes, you know mine. I was the best stir.
You overactivated it.
It was good still.
Overactivated.
I'm still learning.
Better than underactivated though.
Yeah.
So here is my black / grey / green slime. Glue. I'm still trying to knead it. So here's my purple pearl mermaid bluish slime. I love it so much. The colour.
Mmm. I've just made a big jug of Terminator.
I'll put it all in. Okay, let's put this bottle here. You're gonna use it first. Look at the tiny little thing.
Oh, cutie. Don't over terminate.
Oh, don't worry, I'm not because this is nowhere near there. Ooh, come on. Oh, you're bold. Oh.
One shift later.
So here are the finished slimes, and I quite like mine because it's purple. Mine's alright. Yours is like girly, mine's like boy.
Why is it stuck to the table? Normally when you make the slime.
It comes off.
Oh, okay.
Mine does.
Okay. Ooh.
Mine comes off your hands as well. Mine's grey.
You're hiding behind your slime.
That's because we're cheap. So, guys, comment down below hashtag TT slime.
TT squad? Mind you, everyone does that, don't they? So you're going to have to change it, yeah.
TT slime.
TT slime. Isla?
Isla slime.
Isla's got the giggles.
I slime. guys.
Aye, slime.
You know what I feel like? Going in the pool.
Tiana, we've got some challenges in the pool. Let me show you quickly what I've got in here.
Okay. I've been getting this with my hand in the meantime. This is from earlier.
Everybody loves these.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! I really want to touch it, but I've got slime on my hand.
Unicorn challenges coming up.
So yeah, all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Love you all. I'm really gonna.
By the way, Tiana, unicorn challenges are going to go on Toys and Me.
Yeah, check it out.